Managing high-value assets such as critical machinery, fleet vehicles, and infrastructure can be challenging for large organizations. Unplanned failures can lead to costly repairs, extended downtime, and premature replacements. In this video, we'll explore the top enterprise asset management, or EAM systems, for 2024 to help you optimize asset performance and extend their lifespan. Hi, I'm Jeff Budiak with Software Connect, your trusted source for software reviews, research, and recommendations. A well-designed asset management strategy minimizes downtime and extends the life of critical equipment. Research suggests that EAM systems can reduce total lifecycle costs by up to 20%, translating into millions in annual savings. In this video, we'll explore some of the top EAM solutions across industries, whether you're in manufacturing, energy and utilities, or healthcare. These systems are designed to monitor asset life cycles in your specific field, providing specialized tools to enhance reliability and optimize performance. Before we jump in, one quick note. EAM system pricing can vary drastically dependent upon your requirements and your company size. I'll give you some general pricing ranges to give you an idea, but most likely you need a custom quote. At Software Connect, we can help you get tailored quotes directly from vendors. Just give us a call or visit the link below to get started. First up, let's talk about options for utilities and energy companies. In this space, we often recommend IBM Maximo. Maximo's health and safety module excels at monitoring power grids, substations, and other critical infrastructure assets. The map view has color-coded health scores to quickly identify high-risk assets. This allows you to perform maintenance before failure occurs. Maximo uses historical data, environmental influences, and inspection reports to determine asset health scores. This is useful for utility companies managing a wide range of assets with unique environmental conditions. IBM Maximo's Essentials plan starts at just over $3,100 per month. It includes up to 25 users and basic asset management functionality. Those requiring remote monitoring capabilities should consider the standard plan. This starts at just about $7,200 per month, increasing with additional users. If you're a large manufacturer looking for machine performance monitoring, SAP S/4HANA may be your best option. Its asset performance management tool allows manufacturers to monitor equipment health in real time. Integrated IoT sensors track data like temperature and health scores. Combined with historical analysis, this enables accurate predictive maintenance. This also lets you customize your maintenance plan for each asset. Equipment that's less critical can follow a simpler run-to-fail model, letting you focus on only the highest priority machines. We wouldn't recommend SAP S/4HANA if you're not willing to switch from your existing ERP. The system is highly complex and typically requires a substantial budget. Prices can range wildly based upon your requirements. Expect pricing to land somewhere between $20,000 to $100,000 per month for hosted subscriptions. If that's out of your budget or you want a standalone EAM option to integrate with your existing ERP, consider Hexagon or IBM Maximo. Next up, let's discuss options for healthcare organizations. In this space, we often recommend Nuvolo EAM. Nuvolo's clinical dashboard helps healthcare facilities ensure compliance and manage equipment for patient safety. The Compliance tab allows hospitals to track injury incidents and other key safety metrics. This is essential for passing the Joint Commission's audit. The dashboard also includes asset lifecycle tracking for all your medical devices. The data is condensed into easy-to-read charts for concise analysis of KPIs like projected asset end of life. This helps you ensure that every hospital's device are maintained for operational safety. Nuvolo is typically tailored for larger healthcare systems, with customized setups to handle complex medical device inventories. Due to this complexity, their pricing is entirely quote-based. You'll need a phone consultation to get any reasonable, accurate idea of pricing here. Speaking of price quotes, here's a quick shameless plug. If you're looking for competitive quotes and tailored software recommendations, we've got you covered. At Software Connect, we offer a free needs analysis to help you identify the best fit for your business. Just visit softwareconnect.com or click on the link in the description to get started. All right, let's jump back in. If you're looking for capital planning capabilities, AssetWorks EAM is a solid choice. The platform offers long-term capital planning with budgeting features spanning up to 30 years. If a critical asset shows wear during a multi-year project, you can update costs in real time, ensuring accurate budget adjustments. The lifecycle cost analysis tool also calculates total asset ownership. It factors in depreciation, repairs, and replacement costs. AssetWorks EAM works best for government organizations investing in extensive infrastructure projects. The system is priced based on the number of assets you need to track. That said, we estimate prices starting around $2,500 per month. For businesses looking for strong energy management capabilities, FMX is our top option. Its utility tracking tool helps manage and reduce energy costs for larger facilities. It allows you to view consumption across different energy types, such as electricity, water, and natural gas. You can then use data to implement targeted energy-saving measures. However, we found that FMX may be too simplistic for more complex industries like public utilities or oil and gas. Because it's tailored for facilities and machines, it lacks the customizations required to handle energy monitoring from refineries or power grids. That said, manufacturers can configure the utilities to their specifications, whether it's meter or time-based readings. This is useful for plants that manage large amounts of energy from production machinery and HVAC equipment. The utility tracking tool integrates with FMX's larger suite of equipment management and maintenance modules. Its pricing starts at around $3,000 per year based upon variables like users, features, and workflows. We only had time to discuss a handful of systems in this video, but if you're looking for more options, check out our full roundup of the top EAM software. We'll cover more picks for oil and gas industries and GIS integrations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave your comments below. And if you need help finding the right EAM system for your business, reach out to our team for a free needs analysis. Just visit softwareconnect.com or click on the link in the description. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.